Now, to insert the leg and tighten the leg into the space we've allowed in our apron, we're going to need our drill bit. And again, switch out the Phillips head to a drill bit. Now, what I'm going to use is these 5/16 lag screws, okay? So what I want in drilling, I need to drill a pilot hole. So I want to make sure my drill bit is a smaller diameter than the screw, okay? That way it locks itself in place. Now, it's always a good idea to try to get as center as you can with your drill bit, okay? Now, it's not imperative, so you just could eyeball center, okay? All right. Now what I've done is I've drilled all the way through this piece and just tagged the table leg. The only difficult part about this is you want to tag right into the corner, which makes it really difficult. So normally what I do is just with the drill, I'll just tag it. Just hit it. Make a mark with the drill bit so I know at least the height, okay? Then I take my table leg out, hold it up as best I can, drill right into that hole I started. All right. Boom. Then I have a hole that goes right into the corner nice and neatly. Okay?